So what are you doing today?
Today, all these sand out.
You're going to make a volcano.
Yay!
What's that?
Volcano!
It's sand.
Volcano! Come on, volcano out.
Well done. So spread it all out. Okay, get the funnel. Right, what's that going to be?
A sandpit and the top and
So careful. Put your baking soda, baking powder in there. Well done. Okay. Good job. Is it all done? Okay, put that in the glass. Okay, well done. Yeah, well done. Now wrap it around the bottle. Don't drink, don't do that. It's dangerous. Well done. Well done. Do a little bit more. Yeah. Well done. Press it on there. Good job. Okay. I'm going to do more. Cover the whole bottle up.
ta-da!
Okay, do more colours.
That's a cheetah.
Go on then, do that one. Good job.
I used to know.
Okay, you're going to roll it out. Well done. Okay, now do more.
More please.
Okay, so pour this in there. Pour it in there. Pour it in there. Pick it up and put it in there. Okay, just a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more. Okay. Now mix it. Okay, don't drink the vinegar. Now, get your volcano, put it in the sand. Yep, sit down. Right, sit down when you do this. Okay, now get the funnel. Okay, hold it when you do it. Okay, I'll hold it for you. Now pour it in.